Hello friends, today we will learn how to install Kaspersky antivirus, which is totally free. Open any browser, copy and paste the official link from the description. Once you have copied and pasted the link, it will open something like this. I am highlighting the link also for your convenience. products.s.kaspersky-lab.com. After this page opens, select your product from here. This one I have selected Kaspersky Free 2018. After this, you have to select version, then language, then after country. I am doing one by one. Version, only one. Language, whatever your language, you can select from here. Your country, I am selecting India, as I am from India. After this, you will get link for downloading Kaspersky antivirus, which is totally free. You can see here I am highlighting. Now click on the link highlighted in blue color. It will start your downloading. You can check here, it is downloading. Now I am pausing my video for few minutes so that it can download, and then after I will show you how to install Kaspersky. Okay friend, my download is about to finish. Let's move ahead. You can see here only 15 seconds left. Just wait for 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Finally it's done. Now just click on the setup, run the setup. Actually I am connected with internet, that's why it is searching for newer version of Kaspersky. You can also skip from here, just like click on continue. If you want to pursue any Kaspersky secure network, you can click here. This is optional. I am not participating, that's why I have uncheck the box. Click on install. Now it will extract the setup file, and it is showing it will take about 10 minutes. Okay. Further, it is also operating incompatible software database. It will take few minutes, although it is showing that it will take 10 minutes, but it will take nearly 5 minutes depending on your internet speed. Well friend, the installation of application started. I am highlighting. Okay, still showing 10 minutes. Now when installation finishes, we will click on done. Now Kaspersky installation is completed. We will move further for activation of Kaspersky free antivirus. As you can look here, license issue. Okay, now Kaspersky connecting to the server, and you can check here activation completed successfully. I will also show you. Click on done. From here you can check that the application is activated for 366 days. This one matlab although for 1 year. Thank you for watching my video. One more thing, you can also update your product, which is totally free. From here you can run update. It is connected to the server. I will show you. Just wait and watch. Actually it's failed to start. We have to click on run update once again. Database are extremely out of well friend. Now you can see it is receiving file from the Kaspersky internet server. Okay friend, I am pausing. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video for further such type of videos.